Welcome to Machine TV. First roll of videos. We, the team, were testing the My Kuya 3.0 mobile application. Pretty good. Just a lot of things that you guys, the consumers, are gonna be able to do. Very exciting things. And then second, we also had one of our newest members of the team, Regina. She hosted machine learning, which is all about the growth mindset. And you know, we're all about growth here. Wink. No, really. And yeah, and then I also wanted to introduce to you this bell, which is the sound that a machinist hears and he suddenly gathers to this room. We have been using this for like 2 years now, and maybe now that I rang it, somebody might go here. But yeah, this is the bell. And third is Maria's birthday. Maria hosted the last Machine TV video, and she turned a year older, a year wiser, and we gave her a cake to celebrate.